Hello, everyone. You know that I'm a family and custody attorney, and one of the things that I often am asked is what is the craziest set of facts that I've ever dealt with in a custody case during the summer months. And I wanted to talk about this case where basically I had gotten my client joint physical custody with his ex-wife, and basically they had a week on week off activity schedule for the minor child, and my client was a joint legal custodian, meaning he had to agree to all of the activities that mom had placed the child in. But unfortunately, mom decided behind dad's back that she was going to enroll the child in multiple activities, so much so that my client inadvertently would spend the majority of his time transporting the child back and forth to activity. No time alone with the child, no time to have dinner, no time to get bed. She literally went to an activity as soon as she got out of summer camp and went to bed shortly after. So he wanted to modify that custody arrangement, and we were successful in doing so because mom did not, number one, get his consent per the custody order. They were joint legal custodians, and there was no tiebreaker authority. So mom had to have his consent in enrolling the child in all of these activities. And in addition to that, number two, the dad had already told her that he didn't want her to have so many activities. There was no justification. There was no family lineage. There was no history of the child being in gymnastics. These were all just random activities that she set back to back to back. And it was obvious to the court that she set them up to thwart dad's access. And I just want to caution you on that going into these summer months. Make sure that you're cognizant and thinking about the other party's access, and that if you're going to enroll the child in activities, number one, that you have their consent if you guys are joint legal custodians, but number two, that you also think about the access and how it could affect that, because the court might think that that's a negative impact on the access and modify it accordingly. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116, and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.